Welcome to Building a Better Machine. My name is Desmond. We are here to get better at Linux. So this is day, I forget what day we're on. Which one am I doing? This is level 3 of the Linux challenge. So let's get into it. Create a user named Jim with a non-interactive shell on App Server 2. So App Server 2 is Steve America, right? Steve America. So SSH Steve at 172.16.2.8.com. And I've done this one before. Well, a similar challenge has come up on one of the other modules. So let's do the sudo user add minus s bin. No. Login. Guy's name is Jim. And we're going to so it's done. So how do we check user? Query users. There's Jim. Create a username Jim with non-interactive shell. Server 2. Let's see. Done. Look at that. 3 minutes. We out.